Today I will show you how to crochet an Aquarius Zodiac size keychain with a high ranges like this. You can use this piece as a keychain, box charm, or even a personalized gift for your Aquarius friends.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my crochet tutorial channel, Mayy Crochet.
Here are the materials you will need. Let's get started. First, we will make the Aquarius Zodiac sign. I'm using light blue yarn. Create a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet into the magic ring. For every row, we slip stitch to finish the row and chain 1 to start the next row. I will not repeat this. Row 2, crochet 1 single crochet in all stitches, and from row 2 to row 36, you crochet the same way. Cut the yarn and leave a long tail. Make one more identical piece. Prepare wire pieces with the same length as the crocheted pieces. Insert wire inside and use a needle to seal the mouth of the pieces. Next is the Hydrangea. Create a magic ring and chain 4. Then slip stitch into the magic ring to finish one petal. Repeat this formula until you have 4 petals. Chain 1 to finish and cut the yarn. You can apply hot glue to the edges on the back of the flowers. You make a total of 3 flowers with 3 different color tones.
Next is the leaf. Make a knot. Chain 4. Skip 1 stitch and slip stitch in the next. Half the crochet in the next. Crochet in the last stitch, then chain 1, slip stitch in the same stitch, and finally chain 1. Cut the yarn and weave in the end. Make 2 leaves. For the flower stem, use a piece of wire folded in half, about 5.5 cm long. Grab green yarn around and use glue to fix at both ends. After finishing on the pieces, shape the crochet parts into the Aquarius symbol. Then fold the flower stem in half and use glue to attach it to the symbol like this. Finally, glue the flowers and leaves onto the stem. So we have finished the Aquarius side. This is the keychain after we are done. It can be used as a keychain, a back charm or a gift for your friends. If you finished it, leave comment and interact with the video to support me. Also to connect and share finished products with each other, please follow my Instagram account and hashtag Mayy Crochet 0705 to let me know. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.
If you find my video helpful, please like and subscribe to follow my next tutorials.